New Kingston. That's where we're at today. So we're currently on Knutsford Boulevard, passing the intersection of Barbados Avenue. So in the vicinity, just giving you guys a drive so you guys can drive along. So grab a seat, put on your seat belt. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like the video and leave a comment as well. So we'll be driving from New Kingston. We're gonna drive through Trafalgar Park and then head on out back on Old Hope Road. So that's the journey today. So right now we're on Trafalgar Road and I'm gonna take the right into the Trafalgar Park community. Pretty clean and decent, and I would say upscale community here in New Kingston. Some very lovely homes. Right, see the entrance is beside the NCB atrium, and they have a park out here on the front. So we'll take this left and go around. This is the main thoroughfare through the community. So you guys continue to enjoy the drive. It's another city drive right here in New Kingston. Arden High School on the left. Do we have any Arden persons in the building? Let me know in the comment section. Probably past student, probably you're part of the academic staff, probably have a friend or a family member going there now. Let's know in the comment section. Arden High School. Alright, so we're gonna take this left onto Hope Road, and in front of us is the Police Officers Club. It's a venue for many different events. It's 34 Oak Road. They also have Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center over there as well. So we're now heading in the direction of Alpha Tree. So we just passed through the Alpha Tree clock, very central area. Alright guys, so this was just a quick drive-in video from basically New Kingston to Alpha Tree. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share as well. Today is a Sunday. Today is also an all-day curfew day. But we're seeing persons still on the road, like myself. I'm curfew exempt, so I'm on the road. Other persons are on the road as well, as you guys could have seen. Not sure for their reasons or the reason why they're on the road. But again, leave your comments. Remember to like, remember to share, and if you haven't yet subscribed, join the family. Join the channel by subscribing. See you on another video.